Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and this is a tutorial on how to add thumbnails to YouTube Shorts, maybe on Android and iOS. So let's get started. So first up, open up your YouTube. Make sure that you already have a Google account and you're already logged into your YouTube account as well. So in here, you can also go on the Shorts and tap on the plus icon in the middle. You can either upload a video or just create a Shorts. In this case, we're going to create a little Shorts that I made, just a little couple of footages from here on out. So here, after you're done, just click on the done icon on the bottom right or the blue icon. And in here, you can just edit what you want and do whatever you need to do. And after that, you're doing done. In here, you can, on the top left, you can see there's like a pencil icon there. Just tap on it and you'll be able to change up your thumbnail in there. So you can either have a custom one which you have pre-made, or one in the video that you can screenshot, or just the YouTube Shorts UI will do for you. So after choosing that, you can tap on done, and there you go. You've successfully changed the thumbnail of your YouTube Shorts. And you just do your titles and stuff just like uploading any other YouTube Shorts as well. After that, they'll be able to see that on the first hand. And there you go. Explain that, and that's how to add thumbnails to your YouTube Shorts on Android and iOS.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.